Okay, you got some special glue there, huh? White glue?
White latex, the same as they put on the back of the carpet when they make it.
Huh. Okay, white
The
latex
same
glue.
kind of glue.
And I don't know if you can get that at Home Depot or not. You're just gonna have to check it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Nowadays they sell it over there.
He's just putting that underneath where it's short, next to the carpet pad. And he's just kind of making it live under there. So is that stuff, if you get it on the carpet, you can clean it off with wet rag?
Yes.
That's the stuff? Okay.
If it's wet, you can clean it right off.
Nice. Now here I thought you were going to get your little seamer out and your seam sealer strip and your hot iron and glue it in there and all that, but he's using no.
You could do it that way too.
He's not doing it. He's using it
this
this
way's
other way.
I like, for what we need here, this is gonna work fine.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I wouldn't do this if I had to walk on it.
No, this is just for up against a wall. And he's just gonna make it look nice. And once that glue dries, that's pretty strong glue, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Should dry.
I might have to get my
Shouldn't have any problems with that after it
my
dries.
carpet cleaning stuff. You know what I use to clean carpets? Little marks.
For what?
Simple Green. Have you ever heard of that?
Yeah.
Cleaning with Simple Green. I use that stuff for everything. For
So,
marks on carpet, I've always gotten all my marks off, so I might use that where it looks just a little darkish there after it dries, right there in the corner,
now
with a brush, and I just
does
let
it
it.
tell you on the directions of the Simple Green? Does it say on the directions to clean off the Simple Green?
No, it doesn't.
When you're done.
No, it doesn't.
I bet it don't.
And you know what I tell people? I say you wipe it in there, you scrub it in, and you rinse it a little bit, and you just let it set. As it's drying, it's still cleaning. That's what I found happens. So he's got the vent. He's just going to use a vent cover, kind of to help hold that piece into place. That looks nice, dude.
Oh, we're not even done close yet.
Good Lord. What he's gonna do now?
We gotta get some glue on this side.
Oh wow! And that glue's already holding that piece, huh?
No, that's just wet. It
Okay.
won't hold up until tomorrow.
Okay.
So you can't vacuum or tug or anything.
All right. We'll make sure to be careful of that.
See, if I run a staple in here, we're gonna have a dimple like that.
Yeah. No, we don't want that.
And we don't want that. So we're just gonna put this glue under. And then we're gonna set something on top. You have something I can set on here just to keep this flat. You see how
Good
this
Lord.
is?
I don't know. I'll have to find something. Maybe I can
The
find.
vent. The vent
Oh, the other vent.
would work.
The other vent that we don't need to do any work around.
Yeah.
Maybe this one way over here. See, we're gonna do the same thing around this one. He's already cut the piece of carpet. You see it right there, but he's gonna glue that and do it the same way. So
Here, look at this.
he wants.
Look,
Oh, maybe you can just.
problem solved.
Okay.
Okay?
You
Let
don't.
this dry till tomorrow, and then you put the vent back in.
Okay, we'll do.
You see this hanging over?
Yeah.
You don't even have to touch it. You could just leave it hanging over, wouldn't hurt anything. Here, I'll
Okay.
cut it off since I can.
Yeah. Oopsie.
The thing is, you just leave this here, it dries, and then you should be able to put that vent. See, this even looks better than what you were complimenting a little bit ago.
Yeah. I like it. Latex glue, huh?
Yep.
And if you get that on the carpet, like I don't even think you have to have soapy water after you let it dry to wipe it off. I think it's just with a damp rag.
Yeah, it should come right off. Water's soluble, but if it dries.
But you need to do it before it dries to wipe it off.
Yeah, if it dries.
So if it dries, then it dries kind of hard.
And you might have to cut it off.
Yeah, then you'd have to cut it off. But he didn't leave any excess
I think that'll be fine.
residue on there or
If
anything.
there's an issue, it don't look right, you can let me know.
No, I'll take care of it, whatever it is.
Let that glue set, and I think you'll be fine.
I'm liking that. Okay.
And we'll do the same thing over here.
And now he's gonna work on this one here. Basically, just do it the same. And he's only having to do that because we re-stretched this carpet, not because they cut it short or anything. Look at this whole room. My word, look how big this room is. It's 25 by 27. And
Do you know the dimensions?
yeah, yeah, I measured it with my tape measure. 25 by 27. Just this big room section here before it goes that direction through those walls.
It's 25 by 27.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I was guessing when I was over there.
Yeah, you were
32, I
You were
said.
no, it's less. I measured with actual tape measure
Yeah.
just to that wall.
Well, no, check it out. When I was down there,
Uh-huh.
I'm looking at that baseboard.
Yeah.
So if that's 25, right?
Uh-huh.
How much to that baseboard do you think?
Oh,
5?
I don't know. Yeah, it could be to the point.
No. The difference between here, the corner at 25, and that corner over there.
Oh,
5 feet?
I don't know. I think it's 25 all the way.
Oh, I
Or
thought
27.
it was 27 this way.
I think it's 27 lengthwise and width 25.
25 this way?
Yeah.
That's what
To,
I'm saying.
to that wall there.
To that wall.
Yeah.
So when I was sitting there, and I pointed at that corner, and I said, that's about 32 feet, I was how much off?
Not that far.
Not too much, huh?
Yeah. Not too much.
Because that's probably 5-6 feet in there.
Yep.
That would put me a foot or two off. Not too bad.
Hey, baby.
Hey. It worked out. Just doing that part of the house.
You vacuumed up there. How'd you like that? The cleaning.
I love it.
Vacuum.
Love it.
Good.
This is probably worth the purchase of this house.
Yeah.
This central vac. It's amazing.
And see, they just have
Those are the best.
a
They're
piece of
so
cloth, a piece of cloth around that, so it doesn't mark up your baseboard and
Yes.
stuff.
So it doesn't, so this ribbed area
Yeah.
doesn't get caught up on the edges and
Right. It gets on the
scarring.
edge of that, and pretty soon you're going to get black marks on that or the wall, whatever. What brand is that?
I don't know.
Turbo. What?
I don't know, vacuum flow, I never heard of it.
Turbo
Beam.
Cat.
This has been around for a while. Beam.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
17 years.
There's a certain name on the actual canister out in the garage.
Yeah, Beam is pretty popular around here.
Uh-huh.
It's
The
nice.
best vacuums you can get are these in-house ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what did they call this? Not in-house, what is
Central vac.
Central vac, yes.
Yeah.
The central vac. When you hear central vac, that's what it is. You think, how does that work? Well, you look on the
then it
side of the
catches
wall,
everything.
and you pull that out. You put that end in there. Here, let's show us. Just push
And
that
it
in.
turns it on too.
It's on.
Automatically, that senses something in the garage, and that canister out in the garage is sucking all the way through the pipes, through the house, and now you run your vacuum.
Through the house, to that little canister in the garage.
Yeah,
Well, it's a big canister. It's
yes,
probably
a
about
pretty big canister. He's not.
10 gallons.
Okay,
I
he's
know
not.
it's not done, so
Yeah.
I'm not gonna swing it.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you how it
Doesn't look a lot better than it did before. He's still working around it. That's going to be our vacuum from now on.
And don't get anywhere near those vents until they dry tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No vacuuming,
He's
no
he's
touchy,
he's
touchy.
gluing that because he had to put a little piece in.
Okay.
Okay, around this,
Okay.
these two.
All right.
Those
and over
vents,
here.
Leave them like they are.
So we'll be careful.
Yeah.
And Mike knows why.
Yep.
We opted
Good
to do it
job.
that way.
Thanks
Didn't
so
it turn
much,
out nice? We got that, Mike got to see how it went too.
Mike? Joe.
Your name's Mike, right?
Joe. Joe.
Joe. Joe's gonna have to cut that out.
Some people.
His wife does that all the
Some
time.
people know me. Most people on my channel know me as Video Joe.
His name's Mike.
Yeah,
I didn't know it's the last.
Hey, it's not. It's not. It's Joe. Joe knows.
Shit.
Joe knows. Joe shows. Joe
That's a
goes.
great one, Joe. Remember the slogan, Jack? You don't know Jack.
Yeah.
That's another. There's got to be a guy out there. I know Jacker. Joe's better though.
Yeah.
Joe, the average Joe.
I'm gonna have a section on my channel. Joe goes, and that's gonna be.
Or in the bedrooms?
No. This is all. This is all.
Vacuum.
Yeah, you can.
Bedrooms.
You can, but I mean they're pretty clean now.
Yeah, well,
But you can do 'em.
that clean.
We just had the painters in here doing stuff, and they had plastic.
Upstairs.
They had plastic all over on the floor and stuff.
That's what my favorite.
But once they picked everything up, there's little bits and pieces that need to be vacuumed
You
and
don't
stuff.
see the wheel marks.
She's just gonna do something while the carpet guy's here. See, I mean, this room looks fine. There's a little bit that needs to be vacuumed over here, and not much, but hey, she wants to do something, so that's fine by me. Oh, here's some more over here.
Very happy with it.
Okay.
You guys were sold on it.
Thank you, baby.
I still have to plug that in, but I need a
Yep.
piece of carpet
Okay.
in a different direction.
Oh.
I gotta get one of my slivers we took off up here.
Oh, okay. Because it matters which way, because the nap is different, right?
Yep, we got that. I have it over right here.
No, he's trying to find a little piece of carpet. I thought he used a different one. So does it matter? I mean, you can't just, like, if you're cutting carpet, you can't just cut a piece out from one place and stick it somewhere else and flip it around, because the nap has a certain direction that it goes. Okay, but oh, I see, for that piece there, not the piece. Remember this one, he cut here. He cut that off and he put it over there. He's got to glue that, but he's going to put a little piece in there. So if he took a piece of carpet of which he cut out along the side here and flip it and go this direction, you'll see that patch. Did you know that? Up against the wall. Because the nap of the carpet is going the very opposite direction. And this does have kind of a directional to it, because you can see how the lines are going from left to right. Okay? So you don't want to take something and flip it the other way. Alright, so he did some work up on the main floor, and he's going to take a little piece there. Because see, I can see this here. See, this is a little piece that he cut. See how the lines are going the same direction. So if you flip that way, put that over here, then you see it.
Remember those slivers
So-
we got off upstairs? Where'd you throw them? Are they still?
Oh.
Are they still in the room?
I'll have to go find them.
Here, let's
I
go
might
up.
have put them in the garbage can. Okay.
Which garbage can?
In the kitchen,
In the kitchen?
next to the sink on the right.
Okay.
Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. Not quite sure what I'm going to talk about next time just yet, but stick around. I'll find something to show you.